now we're doing a purple potato gnocchi for like a fall-inspired, we'll call it fall-inspired cacio e pepe to piss off the Italians. This is what we're working with. Okay, right now, Kenji and I are gonna shoot three. Did we shoot three things? Shoot two things. Kenji and I are shooting two things. It felt like three things because it was a long time. We're doing a beer, non-alcoholic beer brand deal, and then we're doing, I think we're gonna call it cacio e pepe sweet potato pasta. Yeah. Is it good?
Delicious.
In case you didn't know, this is what happens when you take a whole jug of apple cider and then you put it in a pot and you reduce it. You get this really nice looking sauce. Hi. Ah. So many stairs.
Nice to see you. Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi.
Good to meet you.
Ah.
Yeah, so you usually don't have this kind of thing. For the most part, I mean, it accumulated.
So then I probably used a lot of this stuff.
You probably have. It was catering.
Yeah.
Prized possession. I love that thing. So that's what haunted.
Yeah, I've used it.
Room.
Let's see the
Or
bathroom.
you can change your
That's the main thing we want to see here is the bathroom. Wow.
Yeah.
This is the bathroom,
It
everybody.
looked like a Russian goulash. It was disgusting. So we did do a lot in here.
Oh, look at that guy. The rocket?
And I had to buy for a Starbucks shoot.
Dang.
Like, I think we need to like crack open the manuscript at some point and figure out like maybe we do some sort of like Matt party, and you don't have to cook anything.
Okay.
Like the whole thing will be staged, but
Yeah.
we could do it at your house. We could maybe one since she was digging the lifestyle thing a little bit.
She wasn't.
And we could do it here. And if we kept that light the way we're talking about, like you really don't really see anything else. Like it all kind of like goes to
That's
black
right.
a bit. So we could do like things that kind of go together where like you're hanging out with your friends and you're making stuff or I don't know.
Taught me how to take one of my first food photos.
I did,
And
you were
she's
such a
gonna
baby.
do the cookbook with me here at her studio. So this is her studio. We're just checking it out to see if it sucks or not. It doesn't suck, just a little hint.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yep, it is.
It's finally October, so I guess it's Vlogtober time. So this is week one of Vlogtober. Vlogtober, that's what I'm calling it. It's a day for breakfast. Got the poke. There's just some spicy tuna, cucumber, scallion, avocado with some gochujang, ginger, and rice. And then of course like the sumami crunch. And it's a beautiful day here at the baseball field. All right, so today I'm at the store because I need to film some short form videos and I don't have any in the bank right now. Currently, I'm thinking choco flan would be the move for the next video because I want to make some choco flan. I've never done it sous vide before. I think it might be nice to incorporate a goat cheese into this, kind of like cajeta style. So I'm thinking like goat cheese, flan, chocolate cake with espresso chocolate, put in a jar, sous vide it. They should work, essentially. I've never sous vide cake before, but I think it might even make the cake a little more moist because it's in a jar and sealed with a custard on top, so it should be good. Lately though, I've been kind of confused as to what I'm doing. I even have some fellow YouTube friends asking me about this. Like I have some friends that do cooking videos on YouTube as well, and way more views than me on their long forms. Anyways, they're asking me like, hey, what are you doing with your content lately? Are you doing more vlog style? And honestly, my answer was, I don't really know either. I'm doing so much different styles, it's kind of hard to tell. Oh, these are tiny. That's the tiniest cantaloupe I've ever seen. Generally, when picking out honeydew, you want it to kind of feel like a pig skin, if that makes any sense. Like it feels kind of like a pig skin. It's like right there. You have a day to eat it. That's how I kind of choose those. That's a cool cart. I like that thing.
There's no dog in it. We get
I think it's sweet.
we get in trouble with it.
Oh, really?
They'll say, "Where's the dog?"
Oh.
I can- Unexpected. Please, I.
You know what, friends? I go to the grocery store every day. I realize I actually do this every freaking day. I don't know why I do this. I don't know if it's like a habit, because I could just bang this out in one go if I wanted to, like for the week. Who knows? It is what it is. There's this show called Dignation. They were kind of like the OG podcast, and I used to watch them back in high school. Anyways, it's Kevin Rose, Alex Albrecht. It's pretty dope that they're back after like 12 freaking years. So I've been listening to that every week. This is like their 4th episode. If you guys are old Dignation fans, you should check it out. It's just like a classic podcast. Anyways, this is what I'm doing today. I have a little brand deal video, so I'm gonna make like a scrambled egg foam to go on a toast. I have to make an English breakfast. That's what I have to do. I have to make an English breakfast. I've never had an English breakfast, but it basically just sounds like an American breakfast, but you just add beans and like a sausage or like a thick cut bacon or something like that. This is bread from a Japanese lady's suitcase, and it's the heaviest shokupan I've ever felt. She took it from Japan in the airport in her suitcase from a place called Central Bakery in Kyoto. I was just invited to this dinner, and the dinner was at this chef's sushi restaurant in East Lake. I forgot what it's called. It escapes me. I'll come up with it later. But anyways, we came to this pop-up dinner. It was to promote their little ovens called the Bermuda oven, and they were making toast. So they brought toast all the way from Japan with them with their ovens, and this toast was so freaking good. And they sent me home with a loaf. So here it is. English breakfast.
It tastes as good as it looks.
Yeah, it is pretty good. Here's the aftermath of trying to work fast. It's banana, frozen blueberry, raspberry, some skyr, which is like a thicker yogurt, and then I crumble one of these Quest strawberry cookies. These are so freaking good. Altogether, this is probably about 30 grams of protein, give or take.